Today we are practicing vowel team AI. And just like all the other vowel teams, they're 2 letters, but they only make 1 sound. And the little phrase is, when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, and he usually says his name. And his name is A. So I is silent, and A says his name. So this vowel team says A. Got it? All right, let's make a word. You usually see this vowel team at the beginning of words and in the middle of words, but you don't see him at the end of words normally. Are you ready? So this word has 2 sounds. 1, 2. And we just talked about our vowel team makes what sound? A. And then let's tap this sound right here. Ready? D. Let's put them together and tap and stretch. Are you ready? Aid. Let's do that again. Aid. Let's say it fast. Aid. Aid. Yeah, like I need aid or I need help, right? Aid. Good job. Let's make another word. How many sounds are there? 1, 2, 3. And what is our vowel sound? Our vowel sound is a vowel team AI. I is silent, but it helps A say his name, which is A. So our vowel team says A. Let's tap our sounds. M, A, L. Good. Now let's tap and stretch our sounds together. Ready? Male. Let's do that again. Male. Good. Let's say it fast. Male. Say it fast. Male. What kind of mail is this? This is the mail that I get in my mailbox from the mail person, right? Yeah. Okay. Could be a mailman. Could be a mail woman. We don't know. It is the person that gives us our mail. Okay. Now let's look at this tricky word. We know our vowel team AI is our vowel sound. But what about this little U over here? What's he doing? Well, he is not being used as a vowel. He is being used with this Q to make another sound together. Q-U make the qua, like a KW, qua sound together. So it's really not a vowel right now. AI is our only vowel sound, and the vowel sound is A, because I is silent and A says his name, A. And then we have our L that says L. So let's tap our sounds. Ready? Qu, A, L. Now let's tap and stretch our sounds together. Ready? Quail. Do it again. Quail. Say it fast. Quail. Say it fast. Quail. Yeah, a quail is a type of little bird, and they're really cute. You have to watch a video of them walking. They're so cute. Okay, we have another word here. How many sounds is in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. And what's our vowel? Our vowel is vowel team AI. We know it makes 1 sound. The I is silent, but it helps A say its name. A. Let's tap our sounds. B, R, A, N. Good. Now let's tap and stretch our sounds together. Brain. Good, let's do that again. Brain. Did you hear the word? Let's say it fast. Brain. Say it fast. Brain. Right, that's the word brain. Good job. I'm going to leave that there. We're going to add some more letters. This is a pretty big blend on the front now. Okay, how many sounds is in our new word? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sounds. How many vowels are in our word? Well, there's a vowel team that makes one vowel sound, the A sound, right? I is silent, A says his name. So let's tap our sounds together. Ready? S, P, R, A, N. Good. Now what we need to do is tap and stretch them all into each other. Okay, let's take our time and stretch them out. Sprain. Good. Let's do that one more time. Sprain. Good. Now let's say it fast. Sprain. Say it fast. Sprain. Oh yeah, I did sprain my ankle one day when I tripped and fell. Right? Good job. Practicing vowel team A, I, that says A.